Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James, the Chart Guys. It's Tuesday, April 10th. Going to do my video on gold. So gold, as long as we're holding the higher lows, higher low, and higher highs on this 4-hour chart, bulls will be in control here on the 4-hour. So now for bears, what they want to do is break this 4-hour support here at 1334.20. Bulls have resistance here at 1346.20. This 4-hour is pretty healthy consolidation, and you can see that we have inside candles now, high and low within the previous ranges, high and low, and we have another inside candle so far forming here on the 4-hour, high and low, forming within the previous ranges, high and low. If we do break bear on this inside 4-hour candle and break this support here of 1342.50, bulls will still be in control as long as we form another higher low above 1334.20. Looking at the daily, bulls still have some ways to go. You can see the lower highs here being formed, lower high, lower low, lower low. So what bulls need to do is break the high here of 1349.20 on this daily to form a higher high, and then on any pullback form a higher low above 1322.60 on the daily chart. Looking at the weekly, we have lower highs here being set, and so a big win for bulls would be a break here of 1362.60, and this really corresponds with that monthly chart that I was talking about in my past videos here that I keep mentioning. And so the monthly chart is definitely, in my opinion, bullish as long as these higher lows on the monthly are intact. And at this point, bears would have to break 1238.30 to break this monthly chart bearish. So in that regards, these higher lows are definitely strong supports for the gold bulls on the monthly chart. But you can see at the top here, we have 1, 2, 3 consecutive higher lows. We have a top at 1365.40, at 1364.40, and 1362.60. So what bulls want to do to change this trend is to break the high of last month at 1362.60, and that's the longer term trend to look at. Looking at the dollar, going to go to this weekly chart here on the dollar, and I'll share this last night's video, if I can zoom in. So we have this low here of 88.253, then we have this high here of 90.932, and for weeks we've just been ranging in between those things, that range on the price range. And so now we have a new higher low here at 88.942 and a new lower high here at 90.597. And switching to the 4-hour chart here, what's been a good indicator in this pattern here has been the 4-hour over 70 has been a nice clue for gold pullback. Below 30 has been a nice clue for a bounce. Over 70 pullback, and so forth. So if we continue on this 4-hour oversold, I will expect at this point, for now, at least a higher low on this weekly, above this weekly. Let me zoom in a little bit, zoom in more. A higher low above this weekly dollar higher low at 88.942. Now looking at the miners, both GDXJ and GDX have inside candles, high and low within the previous ranges, high and low. And what I would be eyeing is this daily equilibrium pattern that's going on with senior and junior miners. And so at this point, we have a low here, a high, higher low, lower high, higher low. So far, a lower high on the daily. And so what bulls want to do tomorrow is break today's high of 32.83. If we have a break of 32.83, then look for continuation, and then look for a higher high break above 32.85 to break this equilibrium pattern in favor of the bulls. So that's the next resistance to look at for the junior miners on GDXJ is going to be at 32.85. Support after today's low, the daily low of 32.41 will be the low at 32.06, and then personally for me, must hold will be at 31.68 for GDX. Same thing going on. We have equilibrium pattern, high, a low, lower high, higher low. This could be a lower high bull break, but I would really look for a break of today of 22.41 for continuation. And if we get a break of 22.41 on the senior miners, I do like the bull miners continuing and breaking this resistance at 22.44. So after today's high of 22.41, 22.44, it's only 3 cents more. I like the bull miners for continuation support. Looking for, if it does break the low of today of 22.14, must hold for me on the senior miners on GDX is going to be at 21.84. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.